Aba de mama ya mamu nyina achen ya mo akwaba do badum TV no sia kase so anopai ensem asie na brason sauti bi esa adum kase de to dwa mu bi ya wo betini aposifo ache ochechire ni bi akramfie nan ode ne sa hyenso hiem ya de mu nsem no ebebramo na fe ya konsem foforo mu akwantufo ne adehye ya wo mo fa N1 ekwan no so se de adan manho penifo mra meye mawo eno ne nsem bi na anopai Medebro Sadum TV bedom kase oba Facebook/Sadum TV kase no ho mi amesomo medin afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMT said ensem ni chiremu ankasa etie Go so police command I wa hafumantamu ache ochechire ni a wochira de e primary school Helena Sewa sa akura de din ede Stephanie Nkatia Fokuo wanya mfie kuno ode ne sa hyenso hiem ni nyina se wawia no 2 cedi Adum TV kase etwaso
Anka akwalanu suspect nkwa say no onye bad girl until after some time who say akwalanu afa ya wo de ade to ho a ofa ne ade until the day in question no was some fan the 2 cities e de koto ade wo school but obisa no no ojitu no say you no na fire ampa na out of anger na all nwansuo e de nsa shame
Ashankafo ya womofa N1 no so eye kwashiman ablekuma ene wonmo ese kwan no enye kura na adum kase ekọ honomo no wom susu se eye gatese eni honti enene ama wakwan no aye de aye
yo to kakre bia especially careful mu hase no eso betimi atai ho a even se ka keto akura na mukura bokura atansi bo akura ni jatumi dum because of se gota bi eda ho a sa gota no emu asi ena gota ni musa etige yade nka omo abie mu amamu ayekese na nka nsuo ni timi fa ede kwa efa mu kwa nka sa problem na emma careful mu hase
wo de fa kwashima odoko road no so Terrazzo road woko nim kakra ano so esu atutu kakra nanka ekwan bi deda tokro bi ma so wo bo ahen woye wo fa odoko Terrazzo road no so ekosi ye hwe ye kwan free awosi banyard ekosi anya market ye wo na de bia ye sisi ekwan no fimfini ni nyina bubu gugu fama so wo nam kwan no so no won take time kakra bi obenya accident because dade no abba kwan no so won take time kakra bi eba wira wo ka ho nzo oza wo chia ho kakra se de be ya dade no ntumi wira ho
Nani apokuase sa wom kwantempo no so sa shankafo no so su wom chirem se kwan no de enyenyenyenyenye nti abanmra na omra meye emfama wo
same face challenges dia yeboa challenges we do because kwan de enye wo kwa obo se bedu bebi kura wo hu se we a amna obekwa afo bom so ntai timi ma wo tai kura epai
wo kwan ne de kwan ne de even to boot baby empo kura anse anka trees baby ana to wo de ese o mo hwe no mo siesie we free ha set right wo de ba to hey tembia man for tai kura papai
enemy stiara nsuo ko musa na se nsuo ne tai kwan mti ye fa musa na eno so ema eseka anu ma ye
so problem mebre was sometimes ke mom de minim kwan so ba to ko se obi awanim kwan so a before say obe ben ansa no hu se hwanye tino wa udi na tino anya let abetim do ka boneto
say cars
omumbi kwan nim ane
say cars ya shockers of us nyina abubu
kwan de enye de saba so ma me ama samai sa to doburo enye kora titru ne fence Hebrew o de abana gasa o twoma awu ono ankasa last week yes ne tabe pa ono ankasa patients no huro no enti essence ono amehwe aha so ye no kurom kwan enti ono amehwe ye no
Mento bedwam kase no so na yenkonsam foforo emu na adankura bese 47 na enipa 79 obi atete tene diam se bebi ombeda ayedene fi se nsuo ato ewo tikobo ene donkokrom ekrobi ewo bo dimensimu atoye mantamu amadane nyina so apa omusre ebinum ne Thomas anyame atomo nsemu mumra meboa wona one day onsiesie
makase bisi okekukrum ha nti apa na nadan so edi kampa cha amene die no so ena ebehwe manager so Mbramani pa ho na be peja na nadia ni nyina be dankwa be num na okodukukrum community ni a ni nyina dan so apan be 18 ye be sre MP ni government ni NGO so meboy esa sa ha no the main target ni kuku nyina nso ewu sabaya meboy na na say ye ni support bia obe support ye
Adum TV bedwam kase na oguso etie no na medemo ekọ ensem foforo emu electricity pole ye no ewo tali eno ewo tolon mensin mu northern region kakakra bi na bu ahwe kitua bi from adindin bi abo a ebetumi atofom ti ade hye ne sre pedifo medi hu djuma
ina mala titi kar tanya ve pam kaku te sanya ve tora loro num gatame tenjana gatta moto barba gatame do to soro men ba yina bombe non sham yina tawson te kapulo ma kai kar tanya ve pam tere biaho nti so kam de zo kata soro den yeto akam fable tro mba yara be shade en sam biaho.
Looking at this particular route is a major route leading from Tamale to Daboya. So a lot of people pass it all the time. And this particular pole, as we say, it was bent during the dry seasons by the bush burners. Let me put it that way. So currently, it poses a lot of danger. And if care is not taken, we all know what these high tension poles are capable of doing, especially the wires that are connected.
Mento akasiano eso na omai Ghana ene mama ye no mo ebohie yenya adwene bi asusu se ye nidwa we kotogo ne enso ye wuram saa mu begogo ye ne de denso ene ye hyemukena na ne yi won de atodwa se etoto no ne ade no amama nkaye no enye ye de obetumi aye se be ya ye bedidwa wo ho nso bedidwa wo ha bibia be boko mu bego obi enkonkonsu osesa nhye no ehya ase ntamu a na fe ye tupu na mo Adum TV edeba
sikens ye de maintain ejuma se no emodu nti aban hye se ye gisike ni nyina o ma ye 20% ne dia maintain ga sike yi ba ena aban ti nko bobosia emfa mbra ye nse ye mfa maintain ga cause aban abobosia dada e de ne sika aba bishi nti ye se yetumi gisike ni bi ne de maintain ga eno na ma ene enra nwumre ye toto apatenu mu a say ye nuan mo omode ka no omomra na omumetua.
We need to expedite action.
Adum TV kase ma menyina no so na memfansi ha demom sa free trade de no we are from to branding some kaya aka no ye de bebramo medi afia amankwa tamaklo agudie mu nsem etwaso
yeah, that's it. So I'll show you a video. Make Kyle say, I bring you over a video on YouTube. No, one more domain and that's so. I am me so. Me asu we are just a brave young quenya. The video be a debate to her. What to me a share. Near what you say was so. I am me, send a bear, whom we have been souvenir be a share. I bring be a way video be a debate to her. Who been be a share. May that say.
Right, Yasamwa Kwaba. Yes, fantastic morning. And ya water. Yeah, twaso good insem na oneexpert.com na GFast measure yes ya konkon ye de browser and ba ne say na timi see finra na eba matches course so ne akopie Italy na Serie A course Inter Milan na buaka mu ni ade anti enko for the sikanra and buka na over 2.5 yes channel so say we be sikana oneexpert.com GFast measure so kan ote gang say it say something they happen GFast measure ujina nice so boy duma be mamu GFast measure patro white mano GFast measure amoka ho de sia konkon no parent sam no ite bro kejwara kasane Erica Siri body be sha say the FIFA UEFA Champions League and Liverpool ne Villarreal the Premier first half na zolo ya kasa Villarreal 4 be rough kakra second half Liverpool tisi kwani mu etina 2-0 like one failed yeah Liverpool now take a bold step ahead so with me about final be the next week be siako be back on Tuesday na Wednesday Real Madrid so Jan nice so at Bernabeu now on Manchester City area appearance so Shannon so man say the Europa League semi-finals also be course on Leipzig on Rangers na be bona West Ham and Frankfurt and so they are bweni matches ni muda hapa kama pa Conference League semi-final final ne Marseille Leicester ne AS Roma Jose Mourinho shaso betumi age trophy bi ma Roma for semi-final yibe dia chawe se no so nsembesi akora yenkopie mu e wo ye Italy and Inter Milan Bologna chine no kam yinu team back we shock you bia but anti we Saudi Agusto oneexpert.com ba na sa na wakoma said when you broken heart and regularly goalkeeper church opo imu ya hu pa but still with 2.5 over 2.5 na just more than 2 goals na beba na we diska nya ibia na ade ati wohwe so na table no city ananka Inter Milan betimi afro akodasho baramfa they say AC Milan with 74 points, Inter Milan second with 72, Napoli tosumiansa was 67 points, what EP on him patro Manchester United and Chelsea at the Pimsone. Hey, boy, you better send us a match and so be see 1xbet.com. Now, Yamra Fima had the Ecoso around MP, the South Day constituency, Roxanne Nelson, the Fiamakpo, or then some strong corner to now was the sports ministry. Say, one more and share now is stadium a hold one. Yehwene enyina brane se na no Black Stars say pe bia bobor na yenya ba bi mobo sebe enyema o my Ghana no munya sa emo kam ho ashrotef mo kam ho ashrotef a ye ya mfa so papa bia hye da ni so no.
Even though we are building more astroturfs to serve the communities, to unearth more soccer talents, our football quality is rather dwindling. That is the irony. When we had Sakura Parks and we were playing better. And now as a nation, we have decided that we want to introduce improvements on the pitches that our youth play on. So we are spending money and building astroturfs. And yet the quality, ironically, is coming down. So, Mr. Speaker, I want to thank the ranking member for this statement, and that as a house we should have a say, because it's been said that football arguably is the only sporting activity that unites us as a people. Marriages are saved when the Black Stars when they do well, and marriages suffer when we don't do well. So it's important that as a house, we take interest in how well our sports, especially our football administration, is run.
All right, I know any the honorable Roxanne Nelson da hia makpo. Hey, da hia makpo. Di me de pa tino. Me wa me de me ba beto no. Na mahresani honse mbesi akora yenkopi mo wo the senior national soccer team, the Black Stars of Ghana, wa mo akachi na yehwe de ekoso GFA president den samo to dwa say ade ba kwa be ma Ghana team yakobo modern World Cup yase ne say ye be hye ahosisi na sentem me entra wan twema November na e ben na ye pre hungry da bi emoyen.
We want to take advantage also of the AFCON dates to prepare and to get our squads to compete in those AFCON qualifiers. That'll be part of the preparations for the World Cup. And hopefully we should get a friendly game or two in the last days before the tournament is to start. And we need enough time to prepare in our attempt to make the African continent proud. I think that these discussions would continue, and hopefully we should find a solution to a problem that faces not only Ghana but the rest of the 5 African countries who will be at the Mondial. I think that the president of CAF would listen. I think that he would definitely pitch our position with FIFA, and I should be positive, or we should be positive.
Right, Yabora Black Stars Mudia na captain of the Black Stars here, Andre Ayo. Now they be Brenda Canessa Andre is in Impuma bread 2 minutes teams the first no, and what they are not the 2 minutes is utua as or Toguzuka crack. Say the Pampamunukra pamo. Nti na just say so be jabo ne bo after ebia World Cup ne ade. Brade Andre de to Johannes say bo no nyanya bo ne ade o. Hwade.
I don't look further than what's coming. I think what's important is to keep working, being fit, being able to play numerous games as I'm doing. As long as I continue like this, I don't have an issue. We look at a lot of squads, Africa, Europe, players are playing in the national team at 37, 38, etc., etc. So I'm not looking at the age, I'm just looking at me being fit and performing well. We know what, we have to do. We know the mistakes we have done, the good things we have done. I have full confidence in the FA to do the right preparation and the coach. So hopefully everything will be okay and we'll be ready to do a great.
Former Asante Kotoko midfielder Daniel Niaje ni so de nanu ato Black Stars and Semo ne mo gidi say group Ghana Kotom South Korea Uruguay ne Portugal no ye betimi qualify e de afimo.
Football no on the field of play no every time no bibia team sisa bet menya big club bet menya big names Ronaldo Korea for song yes your players on a day no so more with us say Ronaldo me man ntweme enye say on a day no nyama bet masesa wo park no so ntinya determination and how well the team no be prepare so mo de tournament no enye dene enya dene so determine so be bibia na wo bet me achieve ntinya ade bia say look down say yakwa film ye share bi pen say first time I call World Cup or Germany group Ecosia name more than but some players no aye willing say on baby be ama omuhani o man omutimi agina ekunko mun South Africa the same thing team say we so no ebetimi akoy.
Right, G-Fast Mix Shaka and one of players in some bro, young correct club and some kakana, you could pim cast of work on Wakachi now. News, if you ask for her bar and it says Salim Adams, now or loan from a new to be asked, it is confirmed. Safi, the only 3 years was signed contract, I'll be a permanent player for Hearts of Folk. Ante ya hwe sene ho sambesi akọ na obae wa kire se onimbo ne bo wa kire se oyade so has wontwemra na bibia da din anti no bra ene House of Folk for enso awie na ekopie mu e wo metema Kumasi Asante Kotoko ari fi oba no ene say Ismail Abdul Ganiu waba back to training. Ismail Ipra kakra na captain na de kakakọ no na akorokọ akire ho ajegese so but see ade why bibia the Ghanaian is back wa share training asia Kotoko fans bon smile kakra na bibia ntimi koye back to back defeats no ama na pressure back Kotoko so kakra ye hwe say this weekend no wa fan game no obetima gina mu no wasia kan ede amamo hwe so mame say me man white no adraba G-Fast mixture e call once and for all ma biem G-Fast mixture be ma sisi ma sisi nyina so no ne kita body ni nyina sisi ne kita body ni nyina nti G-Fast mixture na mo agina na so na fe why adwumaden bia e wa brabom be ma de adwumaden samonim fifire everywhere samonim fifire G-Fast mixture na eboa e wo sa ekwan ne so o mo kan wan opai na e den sam na de bra o san so na oneexpert.com say Joe Manocho bana paribotwe omo ana kan me ho opai a me de sam na de bra o kai say wo de nankasa beka kejua ne ho Erica Siedu buadi ko so a hebedwam e wa Dom TV so
so I should be say open. You be here one say, subscribe, share, like it, no comment. Now videos be brain never grow. Say be ya for François and show. Open on sepa Adom TV, Adom FM. Ya what the mama. Me that's it. Yada say yamwa kwa bado ba Adom TV bedroom jumedi so Erica Siedu buadi yada say so dia kudie mu nsam no abreye na dia du so no afisam ho enkomodie na bibia bi ewom na nsa ne ebekọ afisam so no da obon krata no aba beka yensa wa hanti no e wo se yede eno so ebramo na nsa ne ebehye no ase kra no ma mefa kwanya so na sponsors a won madaromenti yetimetina se de nsam ahodo wo akiri bencheye etime bremo no yemfa wadwaton de no antu dwasebe ya obetime ne won mo adi ensa wo so kidney mean syrup nso eye enkura aduro wa wo ba de bia wo su na akura woni di enuane bia ni wo a wonya bi emfa ma akura dia na akura no eni yesa na ma nkura no mo ye ha bohu se wo de no be hospital we yinum ni ade yesa akura no kura wo hweni ye wo ma na aduane pa nso oba tan wo ye de obetime bia akura ne ni ano wanu yie no enie ye wo kidney mean syrup ewo ho eye enkura de enuane no ahodo ni nyina bi ewo mo enti se nkura enu ma hu se abawo mo ahoden pa makom kra de wo mo afo mbedi disa na wa sa yo nwanwa enti dodo pa na wo pa tu a na wa frɛ 0208 98 6731 0208 98 6731 and 0208 219 129 0208 219 129 womo ewa Shaman main station ene tema enu no dodo no afre number no na fei wakwa akwaje odie na enkra no etimi anom na womo adidie ye wie ne sa St Andrew Senior High School ye do mo se so omuguso a eso yesene awofo abatan ope Senior High School edo ba akwa eye St Andrew Senior High School eho ne wo so awofo obatan a wo hweme sabe wani ayo ntoto akra nda so tifia yemfa ye banom enko St Andrew Senior High School boarding nti mfa ho ne baabi a wo free eba St Andrew Senior High School ebeje oba na tete no form 1 to form 3 courses ni nyina won mu ehire bi ho nti won ka achi so do ba eko St Andrew Senior High School asanso na DBS roof sheet nso ye don wase papa nhwe na etutoi sese wo dan ni eli ki mesrew wokope DBS for nchanse ni bi na fa good dinosaur e madan mu nye shit ya wi abose de ya bribie dan no ne mu ayenwuno empepa nso enti kokope DBS for nchanse na fa good wo dino eso Piwak Health Care ye wo 3P garlic mixture e wo ho 3P garlic mixture ye 100% pure garlic eni de aye eni atwe garlic nsuo no ya ye ni nsuo ya ye ni juice eni yese eno obi anim de garlic ye ewo ni padua ni mu wona ade bia ananse ache wo no hia garlic ene ise garlic ne wie na ye odin a enanim de aba enti ya ye 3P garlic mixture no e de amawa pure organic numbi na de bia ntini no umoja enflow ye ananse ache wo ne sa ne mani nyina no emfamfiri ho mawo stroke num ene asthma stress num or how be a wo famu no de wo hia eye 3P garlic mixture eno na wo no mu a ebetimi amu ahoden se wo se stroke no moja ne ntimi inflow ye num ne ade a eno so timi lead to stroke nti se onya 3P garlic mixture eno ma sa how we nyina no eto betu de ama wo mu wo kanhye eno no ebi wo kanhye Kofi Sam ene Kingswalk eno eye enkran ubenya bi ewo ho ukokumase na wo pe 3P garlic mixture no bi anoma Dani Heba ena fe Kolinak eho nyina ubenya bi honso ubenya 3P garlic mixture no bi ewo Albert Sam Heba ubenya bi wo takrade AA Mensa 3P garlic mixture ubenya bi wo ena sunyane Green Light Pharmacy ubenya 3P garlic mixture no bi na wankasa wato anom frɛ Piwak Health Piwak Natural Health for ewo 0248 928 824 0248 928 824 and 0201 000 021 0201 000 021 na wone Piwak Natural Health for adinkomo womo de 3P garlic mixture ababa bia ubora pharmacy herbal shops ne bia ubenya 3P garlic mixture ne bi no wato na watumi anom makuo yinti ena mete ho edede obonkrata yi ebrow ne efisem emu nkomodie nyina no ebrow ene anopei na Mamefa Ghanaian Time the obonkrata no emrow mihu Chief Fire Officer nufoni de ni mo hakakra na ni abrekura microphone kasa na ni nyina ne se we de fire service management no ne adwumayefo no entem wo se wo montinto obi a yate ato ho de kwato sikakra bia bi mu na be fie miensani na ban eje sai sikakra bia no ti sa wo mo fund no wo manya ne ti yesa ba bedi management ho wo monte ho asem bia enti no wo montwen kofi ansa na abeye ene brechina brebia wo mo ahyase ne penifo mo nsankasa wo nsika na wo watete afi won salary ni mu ano wo mo hunu bebia wo mo sentiment ka okope 17 na the Bokrata Ghanaian Times no ene de aba Ghana Journalists Association yes wo mo election ne afi Hanover no ya me yadoma June 30th ene no so ehyasie ntimfonyina da ha eye owura afemoni ya wo ye president eda Ghana Journalists Association no ano ne foni da ha yeko page 16 ho Biotechnology and Nuclear Agricultural Research Institute wo Ghana Atomic Energy Commission no yes wo mu frase ne na wono mo aye wadwuma na wo mo ehunu kwabenya bia ase ho pan tonton pa wo ga East Mensin no wo mu frase na wo my research ahwe die ntia entontom no pai wo horo mo esa ni nyina no eye kwan a wo fa so na yede abo ye ho ba fi echidi ehun fi se tontom anofia no woka wasa de tie bia wanye stadia se ne malaria na de no ho dwemu nti wo mo hyase enne na yesisi ne mani nyina no ekwan yenkope 3 na ho ayi assistant head teacher assistant head teacher no akora ketwa nkura ketwa nkura mienu no wadi file wo mo adom kase ye de sa asemu yaba assistant head teacher teacher mu a de akono pa na wo nkura ho kire wo ma de ho a wakosese wo mo ti asemu esi asankra gwa western region Kwame Tando anya 47 papa nkuro betimi kura yo nana so wakosese wo mo 11 and 12 omusha aya asemu wani na ho na man yesi edoso sem nti ade na nkran keto afi na omo bobra e ho na ya mudu mani akwa akokere anu wi ya na say dey problem enye fine 11 and 12 now 47 create age difference virgin adin na mo de mo teacher ni awo kire me ma de mo ani na ho am de fa so a am fa so nti kwa ma mfuma no ka nya ji se me anso ne me ye no pepe sa nya fine mamu nya sa ma no yase edoso na mpa wo ye doso ti so wanu kura na ewu a no asere onyonko bi no aye line de ama e be fa obi so adwuma o ye no gina kwa ho ubetua no anya titua no kofe obi baba yo a ode na be so nsa kire na de e ho na ade yi ayi ekwan Daily Graphic de obokrata no na me de to aso momani na ho pa na Daily Graphic de obokrata Professor Michael Quay former speaker of parliament papa just go na boy ni mo hey penine futu a wode ama ene se bebi o man kika kro no anka ebeya Independent National Development Planning Commission ene ehia independent kwanta kro nye politicians wasi we no fan show bia ifirase ho tetefo no so ho nti aya na ayo politics nti project bi anka wasa ba na ya wie ni ye to de aka so no ni ade no politics nti bebre gumuram bebre atoto na de gemu osisi yenya Independent National Development Planning Commission be boa na independent osa da bobo din sorry mpanifo no ene enimdefo meche academy we from say achechefu yi ena we mo hwan biem kra na afmani so civil society for ene wo mo etetete sa yenyi politics for no firi ho na ye me fire no mo sa no ye aye ni hwe wo mo sa no na adwene na sisi so etumi aboa mo men yetumi akoyanim ho asem do bokrata no so ede aba na ehwehwemu bi aba beto dwa Daily Graphic do bokrata page 16 ha se organic fertilizer emma mfudie sodo so organic na ye pa na de ya hihye no bebre ye krakra no na ade ni bo hwanye nti yenhwe na organic ones na ye news na ne yare bebra ba hwehwemu kra ba beto dwa se ye nnuane na ye di ne nunku a ti ayo se wo we carrot adani dua carrot pa carrot yesi yesusu ye we carrot unso wo we a wo we na we de ubu a ebu pen na apili na unso se akadua sim so yesi ye we vegetables nyina na nyarwa hodo ya ye huhu ti muma ye hwe yie yare anka first no won anya be 70 ho kro 80 ina nya won ena 24 ene akura 9 years okura na stroke ache no dia wabusa ho ye nyina ye to musin ye nyina ye ka ho ye nyina se me ye ni yie ebi ye ni yie oso fi jo ye ni yie ni nyina ye ni yie na ban ju ye ni ya man dia wo hwa ye benya problem obi ayi ni ye mo ye papa ana nwoma na abe ya o man yie sa adwene we e wo ye tirima bede na o man ni atumi akoso timu a nananu mo aye kua no ne ade susuma mfaso no eni wani mu kan nyemu nhwe apomoden fise nkom ma nyina no nso busua ni be bia wo de no wa ye wachi backyard afuo de ho na wodidi fi ba woni mu abusuani bi a wodi nnuro de no de ahye ne nnuro no afi na de ka ba fi ti muma yani enna ho yesi efiri ne ekọ May 2nd MPP amanyoko no nso wo mu yi won constituency executives no ti eno mu nsam se de enya no ye kura ye bom amade no efiri ne ekure ni nyina adom kase ye de ebebra mu na afi wahu daily guide obokrata no so de abani se free cocoa beverages for basic schools free ukope 6 daily guide obokrata ne de aba moya de ne adwempa dwumakuo bi na ede won ho abo Ghana Education Service say enkurade ho Ghana basic schools from me say primary ho no we dey ya de pa nti mo maintain standard no be wie na free cocoa ayina emu ha nso chen no a chen no say no sugar bi animu ti we dey moya de nyame hyiram yesre awurade ahoden emra mo so na cocoa no entimi mu cocoa mfaso bebre wo so ti se wo ye ni tea dia ma akora no mu a akora afi no wo basa no esa adwene mu do ti na ese cocoa no mu pie wate mo ya de na de mesra ne se mo maintain de first day no mo beye no ento aso ye mpe na ma mete ne ne ya ye kina ya anye mo ma ne ento aso ye ne sa nkora we mu ne benyini na wo ba behwe men ye no Eurobi de ma wo mo bedru ho na adwene no so sa na ekọ no ti ye ho no mo hwa ho yi pa emfamai so hu sa aban no o de hyehye egugu na kwan so se be ya ye sika semi a aye bibie wo ho betimi asaja ne na so bie mu nti ene akwantuo bi wo ho a osoafo wo ko back and forth sa ni atete so ene ne ma bi wo page 6 ada obokrata no aka sa asem no wo ho ti ma me from opare chief of staff ono na nfoni dan ni mo ho na wo de boga ahye inverted commerce mu MP fight injunction na chese ora James Jachi question as say Supreme Court aye ne se ontumi enya adwuma wo mrahye bejafie mu no ono so asa file nti ye be file a mrana na ye de ye adwuma wo memu nti unya de obokrata daily guide page 3 a eno so ewo ho na NDC not better managers ora boabia samoa page 3 eno yeken say NDC de Ghana for munye study mo anye mistake mfa umane ngosho wonsem sa bre ya covid nti ama ne ma ye bibi no ujije hu achi nyi kwasesem 2024 a mo so be hye o se NDC ntimi manage ti ora ya bo abia samwane nsem ono e ka wo pe3 no na no new covid-19 cases on admission ye de nyame ase Dr. Patrick Kumabuaje Ghana Health Service Director General no na edi ensemi tudwa nti new cases bi an wa ya admit won mo ebi hihye ne code bi so piepie kakrakra ehu be bi asa code ni free to de wo che wa no abo mark simple na say go code de say code before covid be ba say code wo ho ba na covid ni wonti na code che okra na nyina ya tibo but nei marks na ba wa o hwe say wonye fine o hna bo a show marks so ati say Thomas de bi o hye ne marks se bia chena mente but o shene max yen sa hohoro sanitizer nso anya adwuma ye say as ye gya ni nyina but sa de ne de boa wo hye won sana eno ebo nti bom ye nya ne sa delegate de no a wo no e de e baaye na new crusading guidance so e de bi aba e wo ahaseya no so unyanya bi asen north mra se bedwani a wa file review e no so aba wa ha foforo bi so ebo ani mu ha nipa ni din no Razak Kojopoku was Baumia na po ticket for secure victory in 2024 ne dia wono so de ebaye no nti ene nsem bi no so crusading guide workrata no so de aba chronicle dia wode abani samo kai se mi refi years ne de but owura bi a wo doctor say Mark Palm oni ni pe bi bo pause anko mutu aban agu said yes as we da so ho dan still witnesses no mu da so ba e be kasa oba kwa kasa me so owura Mark Palm mi kire se na nko pe so otu akufu adufuru ono no be mampani na de wo ye ni nyina no military officers bi na share tie no so another evidence a eno so aba e wo ho no chronicle democrat na de aba tie no so e wo ha afi government nso aya de one district one factory no the pharmaceutical companies bi ahyem na pharmaceutical companies be 13 no emu 11 de yama won sika 450 million so wo monye wonfa henya wa adwuma ni mu fanye bibia wo mu hia se wo mu de fa adwumayefo ode to mfidi ade aye se be ya ya nso ye pese ye produce ye nuro titu covid no ni ade no abanso de a wo de ahye wo mase eno no na minister na eka say public sector work is not slavery nyanko asom tie no ne de no called the Obokrata Chronicle mu awon so e de beba na asemwe areho pa suspected robbers gunned down car dealer in Tema na ese kwan ofa so kura nya no kun no wadan no ho doctor yes wo koshia no wo community 22 ho polyclinic ho baby yes woni ni biewie wo ha abrantie kura wo mamienu ne ba pani kura nya mfiensia na abosome nso ekuno peche ano odin Chronicle the Obokrata ne de eno no eji the Obokrata ne de ne bai ti wa wunya bre de mabobo so eniani mu no wunya bre tena se fabi na wan so etimi kenkan na emo na wotwe awie wo hopa me Pastor Selina Bedu ai ne mame awie no baso weekendi ai nti weekendi Pastor Selina Bedu ne mame awie baso wo Faithway Chapel International Ga East Hospital kwan no so ho anya yera kwan e de ye ne nkran ha ya obi a woni Pastor Selina bia friend ne ma ne yakọ ne nkran hyesem a wo ka de kire wiase nyina na ne wono so hia bi ti friend na hye ne nkran obaatan wo ya ti nyame ya dom a memenda ye nyina ye nhia wo Faithway Chapel International ye nkoja maame na afei dwumtuni dada ka edi so ne maame da fom weekend ye kwa akosie no nti obi a nim dada ka edi ayem frɛ no na ye nhye ne de emu oya odonwum de oya ade ti ne maame nim pompa ne da fom ye nkonkoja no na kofinti so papa da fom ewurade hu ye mobbo na ewuo ne doso kofinti uye ne no wo wish birthday na de ne papa da fom papa enyini mbo 60 nti kofi wonso ne abusua ya akọ Gloria Safo midi e kire wan hwe yenka bonko a Gloria Safo ono so ne ma me da fom a ono so weekend yi achimusiem ye kọ ho den ti ye chichie mu be 4 and 5 ye kọ ha ne awura ne afa ha sa nti obi onim Gloria Safo bia na ma fiewura mon frɛ no cheche ne wure no na koma ete na de edu so no still yenka ebo na mu ana me wo we de Mr. JB Adai 87 ono so memenda ya ene no so ye ewo Chiefs Palace na ekro no wo hefa sahwi bekwai eho ne yekọ Sofa Victor na ase and you osofo kafra osofo Victor ase o na da fom yi ti nyame ya doma ye kọ sahwi bekwai sahwi yakọ hoda kwan no wanti so obekọ de a efiada na yaye Ghana Wine Authority Ghana Youth Authority ne papa kafra ura JB Adai nyame fa okra ensie abusua de atomani no won kafra papa nti ene no ane ye project wo so no osofo Victor National Cathedral pani on ehwama yesi asoden o ye secretary ho na ase ene da form no nti eye na ye nkoja nka sento betimi ato anytime tu de ontimi nkokora no a pocket ni nsu to say dey a nsuo be wo hodom ne ade mfa nkoja wo mo mame ntwa me homra sesi me kwa ba sesi na ye di nkomo bi na ne ma ekoso wo akora ne nsa nyina ahye ni nyina ye ohia kofo ede ye kapa na ne esa na nke ya hye ni pa nyina wo Ghana ene kura we kura nya ka no ode timi se komani bere na akora de akofa sika ya hye ne nsa nyina mame nkomra eni sa nkomo
Abusia, me the Reverend Pamina Aida. me gidi say ye dwumadi na wani gye ho ye videos ye talk shows ni dwumadi na de hia me pa ne se na be ya wasa beka ye dwumadi no 24/7 wo bell no wo de punch so sa bell no punch so biu na sa punch so biu o punch so 24/7 dwumadi na e share akikro na won saka and follow us and share the page for commenting na so to no nyame shira.
Meda sibie mesamu akwaba Adom TV bedwam na o hwene fisam ne enkomo na mede broway maka kiro se enne akransa hye nyesa akrana na ahye ne nsa ye ba bedi sa enkomo no na ayi dada kedi maame ayi no obatampa hana boadi ono so nya 80 years na ayi no wo ombeye wo asante asaman kunya memende ya to obi onim dada kedi bia no onko na onkonkoja no na so for Victor ono so na ase so for Victor asew owura JB Adai eneda efomu na so for Victor ne yire ono e boche eda National Youth Authority ano ne papa ne da fomu bocha che edema National Youth Authority asafumame na ne papa eda fomu ti ye ko sehwi ne yakwa akoye awie na wotwe awie ti nyina ye nhye nso yenkoja yenim de sofo Victor oye ede abo me ti se na se eda fomu a na wosi nyina ye kabom yenkoja no wonya ase ye da ho ka beti ase aka na ho sa ko pie sa side na santene ayifo no ho de ye adwuma se niema obe kire na adisedi o ne niema mu yenko kan papa ho na ye nhye na chi ti no eda mo ase papa wo mo bre ene mo adaje na anopei mo amohwe Adom kase anopei muhui miami krom goso na asem yesi na ye kan news ni wie ye na ayi ebi ne Thomas te 2 cd na asa omo ko omachi ayo omonwa 2 cd ayo omonwa idwetire pa no na akra 9 years wa wi teacher Helena ni 2 cd minim se school mu ha na teacher timi no ansuo no de nsa na hyem anu akra ne nsa ho mekwa na meka se ba ku bi ka o de fa ba ku bi wram ana bibi eso wo se ne nsa ni nyina ese ne nsa ni nyina ye pacha yenko same asare ho na ye ne ni nkomo same no pe wote yenka ye mo ache dase
meyozo
ye dase same yensenchwe ni o wa hafo mantam ne mu na ahafo boko de
eya boko de na nso enya boko sa
mikro mu go so we de edin we de amfata ye enye kura kire ye mu ye akura no ota wie teacher ni sika na sa adaba akopɛ no wakɔwia na school mu ho omo no aduane e wo teacher for office ho ana ene ya no nsu ahye akura nsa sa no
nyina ne sɛ asɛm no ensi ewo school ho in say currently no schools no basic schools no
mama kwan
ewo vacation nti asɛm no esi ewo fie nyina ne sɛ teacher ni a ye kan ho asɛm no oni abofra no na eti enye ono ankasa ne ba na emum teacher ni no nikum na wakofa akola no every one of the villages are wo baby ani ho baby de no abago so se one ne metna ni na ne se abofra na ye kana asema sisi a no ne nsa aye bibia wo ho no ye de ne to teacher ni no nikum a ono so ekira de one of the secondary schools a wo Brekum ho baby na teacher ni
na me pacho sorry teacher Same
Mitio
afra teacher Helena obaro so de Helena dia sewa pacho omo omba
wawo mako miensa ne first born no 5 years and a second no 3 years and na wawo fufura ogusukra ma akwala nu for no near 6 months.
Pacha you to us.
Yes, and you see me say teacher ni ba hani nan say initially na abofano suban kama, but recently na what who say akwala no suban no asesa kakra bibi da ho anu afa abra all ask permission free obia ho anunti abofano yes ade na ma ache nti okofa ni 2 cities na madam no ebisa Stephanie say ni 2 cities aya ono no afa na abofano gi tumi sampa ono no afa sika no teacher ni bayi anka hwe na odinsu esi jaswa so ni nsami nunu ebe enu enhia esi jaswa ehuru na ne ebu akola ne kakra ne se akola no ene no preso kakra nse 9 years die on said anya abofasa anti ono ne preso kakra na ne nsa right ne die etini atwi finsuo nim kakra ene ka left na eno ne eye pictures a ya hwefo ene etiefo ehu ewo eye screen so na asem no esiye no teacher ni no decide say on fabofra no enko hospital for any better treatment nemu mo no ade treat nkaka nti okọ eye pharmacy a opem no kakra na ode ye so saa ne ade a but na enya ade a eboa ntina ne nsa no sea na essay anase ku no kesia na eye na teacher ni bay ebo modern efa phone efre obifufo se ya frɛ no sɛ ne nkola ni bi ɔkyerɛma de no nsuhia ahwie gu bi so na ɔwadure betini aboa ama abofa no ho ato na ntini pa ɔfrɛ no nso ɛkyerɛ no agrofufo a ɛno de na ɛyɛ abibiduro nti ɔde abibiduro no bɛ start ɛyɛ no ɛna abofa no nsa no developing to stage a nyina yehu sisia no nti ɛyɛ saa no ohun say de ni alternative bi age say ode abofra no ekọ eye Goso Municipal Hospital nti ode call ye no na doctors no and nurses no che say omo hwa abofra no nsa enye nsuo hye keke na ahwe agu no so na em say story no emu do esen nia madam Helena Ekano nti omo efre abofra no awfo ena omo frɛ ɛyɛ police for adosi nso ɛka ho bia ombehu akola no state no na je sa no de omo rush no ko Konfanochi hospital wo Kumasi Ashanti region currently update kakra wo ho ene se besine no ade a you can say dosu 18 enya parents no akola ni parents na nkasa ene omo entwetwe nkomo esan say contactor omo nsa kan ye na omo fra enko but eni je tem kaka ni say akola no nkaka no recover e Konfanochi ho a ni parents ewo eni nchen ena ne etosu biom eni say sise no suspect no ni kunu no ono nso ade a ne blofu pa se omo ntintin kura ne asi no ebetumi de awarejaye aba esan se papa ni chima abofra na okofa ne ban ne nchen no odana koma so obi no awo no na odana to na cheze nipa no edi ni die e ma no pa a nhwemu kwa chese bronye ye twa ni kwa no abofra sei ne nsa ho aba problem kakra no ni nuano ma akadi kwa en na busuafo ba Goso ho ene family ni na bedi eye bunya nti eye papa no wa kakra se ne yire no etumi eda sa suban no edi nti ano ni update kakra wo ho na afenzo me ne dosu panyin pa wa hafoa ASP Mavis akasa o chim se almost so ebo mo hoden se na wotwi be kom na wie no man kasa be tu na mo akọ eye Konfanochi ayare sabia ho no ma ko hu abofra no mistake na fe omo ni doctors ni nurses also atwetwe enkomo nti eno ni bibi kakra abetom ene anopai
asemo enti ya kana say ensa na da o me hu nsa ne ye me hu say ne nsa yam na da ho enti say ne nsa no ehu nyina awura asaya ma to ndompe anasa say na tie because of Facebook ne adinti no TV nti ya na black and white un shede hu say
ne nsa no menka say un say skin no ye layers na the first layer no eno de asay kura ina ne nsa no ahu nje the thing is woman no anase teacher ni no e decide so no abetwiti nti okọ pharmacy a edu de be man no de abaye mfa ne esi akwala ne nsa kura eye local herbs na ode e kan ho according to doctors eno na ama akwala no nsa eye bibia se nyame ma akwala ne side that betin quite possible say bia no nsa ndi say bia omugi e be sure because very 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 serious serious pa ye kan nsa no enye asema ye di ago
na nsa bonkum no
nsa na chi eni leyam ni na eka eye pictures a ye de ba na ahwa no nsa left no pa na eye severe sana ndi kan no suspect no e decide say of the inside ni na she nsuo na esi jano so no but akola no ene no e prekaka nze woman no so ofufu nta akola no presu kaka no utimi yi right ni kaka free nsuo nso oja pictures ni abo say left ni pa na yesi wie do right no so ekuru kaka wo ho but ni dia no nye be party say eye ni nsa left no
dimu aya samo ese maame no wa he oba tan no teacher ni no
se oba tan no asemi si ye no omo e be fa no ba police station ma otro ni statement e ma enra no omo process no e de ne call court but it say why oba tan one for 6 months ogusu efidi abofra no court apade ni say onya time ma akola no kakra but de bia no on daily basis no say or report to time court na be deciding na say afi o ma friend na o ma di na say na asem ka ke wo ma interesting and say sadi we tesi organ ha pass obi bibi na please china o say bon sama na bibi na be we na say ma mean the same thing no say those who follow please for inviting or call court no o say onu kwa na esi na enu nwa because oni akola no et fine ina again oni akwala ni na e wo the same school e wo go so bi nti ye be hold this school ni din e kakra oni ni na wo the same school a offer akwala no e se ne ba nti ohun ye be shame ni a oti e take sa decision as say no ho action so njon de onu kwa de o kan say yi ho ni bi na e be wi ani
so no ara na bibi wura mu na wa hu se bibi awura mu unyini fio na hwe akra say den say ya mompa ye pa ye twa ne say de afi ho na me chese na akra no wata wiawia na dia na say we ape ena no hunhum ya behye ni mu amu atimi ade awe
o see initially ani kunde akwala ne bre no na akwala no subanye na nsemu na ohun se meniama yira a odnani to forma akwala no ena efa enti 2 cedis na eya na obisa akwala no se 2 cedis aya na akwala nji 2 se o ma 2 cedis ni de eya mia na mafa na ma misi you o de mate wan kahwe it the next decision am am take here and say odi nsuo esi jaso na odi akwala no nsa no ahim enti according to my minister statement odi ma please for there initially na akwala no subanye but recent time ya na wo hu akwala no subanye asisa enam 2 cedis ho a odi nsa ahye nsuo mu sa no
samia ne emfa hu si hey na de be pie wo mu bia nso ama ya so ate ye bompa ye se nsa na ho odin bebam no odi mi dia ye na ade moya ye da se samia sorry no afo mantem go so na odin kra free ebre ye nye se asem no kra si wo school se oni akra na na tie na oso afa ni 2 cedenti ade akra na nsa hye gyamu a se akra na nsa ne de je se edwunum ne ade ebam ye bompa ye se betimi anya hoden o de we aye ne de ne sabunkum ne de anode ti mo mi ehwe hu yie na honhom kro wan koka no a wo ma ti mo me yani na ho obi wo ho ade enipa o se ho bi wo ho no de o pa no we ya no ye o deduem ti so obi aka so ko hye no ho akomfo ano no o kana no aduru suicide enya so wote ho na ye video bi sketch bi ankofo bi ye wo hwe how esi ye na ahun se ade no before nipa no be yes ade no na akoswa nti wo ye no na ono so o pushu no o ye o cycle waji o jejo so ye nso obi ampe wasem nso obi ayiwa ma nso boyfriend wo tiati o ye o sei sa ti de bia no nko na ate de bia because o ma ho kwan ti de bia no ka o pushu till day now say duro na o person no mu a sa ada wo person no mu duro ni nyina e sketch bi a me try na ma share no mo ahwe bi serious suicide enye just a day convince us this one to me and share with ubia so finally na adekoro na happen ti mo me enye careful se ye wo ho na bibisa akura e ba ya adwene mu ho aye me ya no nkasa ene obi ne ho nkomo bia ye betimi anya mmoa na wo kwasha wo ho akonfo wo koku hu na wo di obi awe se na ati wo se bibi be hye wo yi o se ade ye hye wo na hye omu akowie se yi a wa se wo bi nsai a wo so a wo committee suicide wo wu koi na say your boyfriend etete wo se de enti akoku hu boyfriend is what ho ana be ma wutie oba bi a disappoint unti akosha wo ho ahomai oba yi what ho na man wo nya bia na be man wo nya bia na ede atete wo hwe na nkura 15 16 yeso wa hange no ho yeso wa no mra no wa kana no aduro me si bia se de wo kuma no aduro wo nyame nkun wa be so okun ti muma yenhwe yie bibia ye bia edi rengia ansana a happen ti mumie ni na ho abrabo na nya bete obia wo ne de asa ode no bro so na untimi nsolve a penifo hwumobi a oka wasam che na hu so you are safe onko kan chiro bi na ni nkomo na se de etie bia no bia na asam no ba ku bi wo mu a ebetimi age wo mumie nya careful yenhwe hu yie ni enya se de bia de akosha bonsam na eba yie no ote ne ba bi wan kofre na obeba te ne ba bi o tu ya apeno no so anya kwan chance na obehye wo mumie nya careful ate sense yenhu ba ifukro na bonsam kronti ya ne ya kan trasa mumie ni na ho Adom TV bedwam na wo hwe na mame na sponsors yes na fashion 101 ba wa kwan ne ya na ne memen skills nko a o mabodwi ze no anu mo de trendy na President Anaman fashion 101 ti ze ye hwe abodwe no omo ye abodwe kwatre kwa no omo size be no omo yi te sam pedu mu ze o meta tu ye na ene obehu ayi ampofo aje mu kura ni tiri hu nyina na wagina ha eno ano no sasoro abono a abodwe de obe showcase eno so ye fashion ni bia abo so no bi adaifa eze meme mutu ye ni enti ni ehu afutuo ni ehu education nyina no fashion 101 ye de bro wonde enti ye hwe ye ni abodwe sanu by the time be wie show no ye kire skills adbenya abodwe trini na akuku wo tiri hu nyina de be ba ha na ya ma so nya bi so ati ase Franka Sempo oni wona abodwe so wo bi na Thomas na eni ni wona abodwe ne de na ye kitekete enti omo mo nyi kitekete ti omo be de ebi no musa no ni o man hinu musa o man hinu so ni abodwe boy say ne prof yesi yetimi di yomo nyina design tu wo hu obi amwani na ho ye say mo tricky ye ai mo sori mo kan makeup asem za mo so de mo ye ni yomo beka na e shema abodwe ya chi mu nyina ere wo ye steady young ones no go fa be ma bi no agira ni pu ha eno kwa nya no nkwa meta hu videos bi ememe omo mapampa mapa se ye stick on no ndi atata omutini ya shape no ye to makata ne ma so se ni nkwa ne ya sha wig mema bebre sha wig yes o ma boju nyina ene e de bro fashion 101 na mom kidi min syrup eyankra ne dia akra woni die na dro ohia kidi mini syrup onum bia kwan be di fine kra ma okra ho adwuru nuane nu ahodo ne nyina bi wom ti mom di fine pa wo pe do do pe to a yemfra 0208 986 731 0208 986 731 na 0208 219 129 na kidi mini syrup edro no nkra no enonom na emo di fine pa na afei Piwak Healthcare once na day 3p garlic mixture no aba garlic die eboapa sane moja ni muntia na si bia no problem ontime nchew stroke bia oni ni problem asthma bia ni wa oni ni benya problem stress no mesra moja broso oba obu nsa boso me ba besun se obi tiem ye maya se be me ya mesra wadro 3p garlic mixture 100% garlic pure ene de aye ya ni nsuo nti obi su garlic na ye o na so scent na begimanum kokope 3p garlic mixture ne binom enye wanum but nnuane nuo anasa hode nuo wo garlic ni mu no obenya nyina bi pepepe kumasefo ko dani heba and Colinac obenya bi ena ho abetsam heba obenya bi takrade AA mensa ena sunyane nso yenko Green Light Pharmacy na Piwak Natural Health for 0248 928 824 0248 928 824 and 0201 000 021 0201 000 021 now no one more di enkomo St Andrew Senior High School yedo mo se oba time for oba no ho from 1 to 3 courses ni na won mu ye bi your boarding your day so timfa ho no ba bia wo St Andrews odo oba no ho a ne ngumasua e daache e begina ye DBS roofing sheet yedo mo se de wusi asodan school dan wa wo de container wo hia nchensen yenkope DBS for de no sanyuma ku ya government na fisem ebrewa ye de fashion 101 twaso nti se fashion 101 no si na wanto menka na se na fia amankwa tamakru na ne mawia no ye wie no so pe na pensem mu kwasi asempa de atwaso anti after fashion 101 no besa babiem na fia ba betwa ye nkomo so nti hwe ne tie ye me kwa basisia
we be akwa Edinburgh Fashion 101 jumedie so ene enkomo twetwe no shronko kra efa obi bia ho because unie bi wo fie na ta koyi ni tina bia wo hwe na se na bodwe no wensiesie ni ya obetimi a hye ne se ni se na wesua ne se ntina de chena so kwa e wo so fa de ka na ho siesie ho se de be ya na this na ho siesie no ebedimu na me ma no mkwa koyi omutia o mabodwe no so mkwa kote shape na no mu take into consideration se no monim bia ti ansa na o mate sa shape na eno komo twetwe ne fashion 101 medie ba besia medi enwa ho siesie hima Priscilla Anaman yaba Lem Unisex Classic Salon aha ne ba besia de intima wani ni echi bas ma ke ma kwa ba do ba fashion 101 jewelry so
at the Lem Unisex Salon.
Okay, that's it. You always see the intimate show saying, "No, boy, I'm a disney." Edimu.
Okay, yes, you. Any idea be I'm here with JB at Babang Plus.
Okay. You know, I mean, him busao. So, Bobby, you see, Empon so wa budget, and I say, we need below. And when he has said, was said, or show with him the answer, and with Yatse, Sashi.
Oh, about you said it. Who's it? Ubuha, and I'm a man that. No be so they are artificial and as you said you I need to have a funyama bay. But we said Papa or Tim and me in there. It means they are natural. Such as it. And to see no. Oh no, Ushan has seen now. Okita bad shape dada. He has seen him. John under normal circumstances, which is Sakura and Kwan. So as I say, Sakura
and the shape be any.
Oh, that be and the shape be any. There. When they say Robo Sakura ni bia na fe de wa sada hwe na nimu ahwe nim oh ma so ne nimu ni so do so fan na fe de wa man lie obi wo ha open keto bi won so open kese be ono no ye be best ama me ni mi hu abema da bi obeba me nche ne bisa no sanyo pe so ati ase nti mi bisa sanyo pa da bi opesa me fa line mfa no and dia fa ha ma sanyo se
na so busa ne ni open na wo hwe na se line na ono pesa wo de fa no e ma no no institute in the face na how do you go about it
oh ano suru me ne beka ati ase ma chense we bia line na o chem se mi yima no mi yima we bia ene sakura na machi ntirime so me idea ne se bia me ni se yama nti so dwe ho sai ti na bia so no so accept dia se adwuma na na ekọ
me sa de mete wase ana wo se so ba be yuti a eni kwan se wo se wo show bi shape we yi na wo de ba na wo be hwe so na wo de betwi mu abodwe ne bata wo se wo a wo hwe wenim dia na wo de choose die e be fete
sa be pepe
nti we die ne se wo hwa ne we na wo yi a e be fete no
oh we die ne se no nse ono wo hwe na abodwe na nze line no dada ano nke say ni ho dada so ati ase but o hwe de afufu won chen kitenkete na e bia wakoyi ni baby pen be ni pa na anya ne se ne open ama no nti wa ba no wo na o se won hye da hwe na wo homework bia wo ku bia wonya mfiri ho so ati ase nti bia on se ne open kese no we se no ubete a ma me ma example won se ha se no winki to na ho no obi ho open arc no open kese so ati ase open arc ne kese nti no wo bete a wo be che da check line yi na the machine am ake wonu so no say we see no ye no wo be take arc na wi so bi one say
arc na mu yi no
yeah
en na si a wo bi
arc na mi gusu am yi
okay
so ati ase nti no wa ya ma kini see no one say see no wanya bia be shemu see instead of say previous one or tifa no nyina no pepepe no we o man kakra aka ho obi open kese nti no na BBC no so be yo so nya bibi e be support wo so high lawyer na so
no lawyer ni because me sure say ene die bibi asesa wo ho also shen kan na me sure say na mo take into consideration steps as to how to even go with the chairman so they will say we be share arc ni ade me sure say first person yes na mo
yen dey be first in those days and any kura na be some mistakes no
okay
so I say any kura be obi won check say nyama no so I say be no ya butre ni nya witre no so I say calculation mass e trebia mass you know say any life na e bon kura ko mass so na 3 ni so tie trebia calculation
any sha say ni hwese na obi si afa akono
okay nti about you say bit say no once no ne ase no check ase na once haneso ana e basoro na e bi obi ho a opese wonchem obi won so opese obi chim obi opese onye on start na opese onye ne ketwa obi opese onye ne kese tunu be bisa no tena no anga sa pen no ande wa ya ma se nti nti se no se mi bisa no
okay
nti chama e fa cha boje se ni anya ne se en falani na eso no
so opese obetim
abo ba ya
obo ba ya cheri tira
ba ya chentro ye na utwa bi gobi okura aga na na ye kwanya ma anya ase obi ma so no obe report me ya be chew
ene shanie shase ni hu sana shape netie
shape no so no once ha se no so no obi obe tin street and tin street sa ana se obi depending the depend se no aka se opene kese no to na be decide that as no no also mental decision as bia kasa decide am so be
it's a wo from our best decision from the angle which was not ujina na o hwe ni shape no o hwe se na ne hwi ne funa de wo hwe be bo na mana ho sisi ne di mo ne na baba ya ma nti bes ma kene sha se ne
nti media ma hire me lawyer nti me de be nti wa ngasa be hu be bia la
lawyer ne we empower na ne
yeah father as you be easy
okay nti obi a ne hwi ne do so sei no baba ya sei no be fe mansa na mutimi e ya ma no
se ne ni pa de pen ada je obi a bia chama ya krabit me decide say what ne kese na fata me ni mtisa ne ketwa then no dino no ana so be me no according to on the chrem say me nya na
na so so ni hwe hu because hu sana sisi a enim dua nete wa hwe enim dua na wo yi e de ama no nti be si hu se de no so wi a e be
be obi o ha o ze obi o da se nwinu wo so de a nke o nwi de a nka ba ma ka nwinu ani shape na wate ama no
they raw until started abojene from scratch na wa odi chase shape high na befa nza nye mankwa na high lawyer me man so high lawyer
na high na ko di pa ba ko di
so I say so we you would tell us when you abojia and also the enso so na be
I say abojia no yo baby to say part baby to say ni pa na from hasi ana the in the minimum say ana na search baby to me yanka say to me generate bombs na ma ba bo so do a razor bombs na no aka no and we say no ono na e bi obi ho a obetimi use blade na ma razor now the ayama no do decide so razor no until we say no on say any ha say anything no so we use razor na say when using here it depend how abeti fa use razor no when using here betimi ama na bombs so I just
so aso me here anyway the chapa
o che but say abutre dipa say dipa de when mo nyama ni uti bia e sisi ya so I just ti we say nipa de wi ni petia mana sabi se hun sheda nya abutre ma nipa no kana be ya da bia no so benya kwan ya da ya besrawo no so eduma na koso pepe pese nyesi
mo shapes ya mu yi mu mo ahodo
say shapes so kire
ba na budget shape na no so mu yi na
o ye o ma ahodo you ma ahodo
because I am in zetimu around in the square near the
ya mana
nti abodwe no so bia ahodo na bi ni we
abodwe no so bia ahodo na se obi ho obe decide so betini tia so ati ase tia na obeti no independent mi dudu ani pa ne wo abodwe sen dudu mi dudu a wo na ebe he woni e dia ma wo so ati ase nti no bi wona se na abodwe sen no so bi won so a abodwe sen na be kwan de dadedam teno no so no so e ho lines abeyi ama no
nanso mba fele kwan ne de dem na say
the normal circumstance no de high lawyers ne de nam then you be a high lawyer into no yes your black dice on ma so bana say be a kwan e de da abodwin ma you be say be a yan fan fele ma photos ne fele ma na say be a just say e fanya ma wa ne de aya ma
wa enkan no mo na mo potholes na say o mo de ne kwan ne dem no say no mo mfele be no so mo yi o mo de na mountain so
mo yi na mountain so be on say na de we say modern world new and a boys na ya band one boy life our ninte itinene so ni David jina so ama nipa na abeka se bia opeda na so mpe na dia se
nti we sa no ni na fun ho so we yi ansa na wetimi aba line na wo se we yi no
say
me sharp powder ya wo de yi sa lines na mu na wo de be fa dia t-shape na say
powder no baby a powder na ye na ye dwiri ho ni na to agu
the washer no
yes top no baby a powder na ye top ni dwiri ho ni na to agu because e ho na de we be say waste the line na powder na taking from line no the back from ni na ya de agwa German pa
oh okay na so de won shana ye trimming kit ba say wo yi nchenchen se de e ma e yi o mo ni echi no
se wo se ni pa na de anim de da ho a o se enda ho a so man enda ho ntina o se wunya abutre
senye mangwa ni high lawyer
ai na high
da dai mo so ya ni makeup mo se e ka ko fa ya be ka na de mu ye because o mi ha shape ya uti sana be ni mtie
anya sana o ran kasa so no so be kan bi dia dance itire chairman ka so kokro e chena beba
ntire wi man no wi na betu ni dia na se no ni din wo hodeda
abojo ne de se ya kasi ya tutudi ni dia anka kene nka sembe ade be chewa ha ko tun se tribia ne ho abojo se kitam so abojo se ne de uze ne de obi ape itin wetimi anya nyame adom na se wetimi anya bidia the only advice I'm doing so kwa no why careful wo no akire nipa no wo mo akwa abojo se ne hu yi se de be ya nipa ni ntwa ba bia wo se utwa so ati ase because abojo se ne de obi ape ntino ukona bia o cheki na baby o so mfa no mfa ho ama o saa na decision wo ncheki
de edi kan na Bismarck eboaye mai hu se ne o sha se bi kowie no ono hwe ni hu na natural hair no efu ebesin hanum se ntie no just one shada on fa two skirmishes we rank out ba ya na be hu mwe ma no hu so smooth zamini mi ni na bodu ni sha tada ba umbe 1 month time be smooth no ka ko shape na say eh na bodu na efu enu bi na me hu say best mark ba ya because so we dey na say best mark ni hanom na dey ba shoni na bi ni ho we nso me nyesho so beten ke so beten etia
we
ana kese
o ka so pere kese e betumi
na kese ni say bi ni hanom tie no ba ende
na tese a lawyer man
nti lawyer no na ho na ode sana zia mo de die na be ka ho ma ya asesa no na de ka ho okay eni me so into your son so o tene hairline no
I so on the line
into the line e ni we mi
line no de ono no pe no
na ni tini de betumi aya na ode ya na
ni tini de line no so no say ni line na free ho
e bi di ha o anti say wudi yo e hu ni say around into we no ya ni den o ya na wudi
na line no
ya
ma hala ya mano
ani best magwedi e be wi ni hu say entrekese ne mfaso e wo su
ni tini ye obi ade aduma
o see around amutu one year square
yeah
nti unya na square ni wi ano aheso de atena boje no
maybe I met her idea.
Sure. Honey, who's na fashion world ni evolve. Into no maybe so. O you to made na budget and make a fashion statement. Into we do any can better time in about almost as here this hairline in a budget shape evolve.
And they over say tama CC ya send Nina Jina celebrities for you. So mo kwa mukosia. Wana so hudu François se broni ni ya no de abase o se ni se so atiase enti no ba no so ho idea ndi obeya man pepepe so atiase
de o dai no
me dai
o dai ya no what dai no so na no bende no so ba fufa
dai na o se me fufa so na
so ba pepa like okay
we tinya pepa so man we won so se do so be wo share man
okay
de we me pepa na ma hu ni yi
train me no we ni ono zo ni tin shape ni tse ni ti dia no ni hairline ni tse
on so ni hairline ayra
chave na be drama no
afiza nzie pe bia ma
abodwe ni nzie hu nzo ni bi
abodwe ndi 55 no ni bi kura
tse no tse ni keto na na tse ni kese no
ma tse ni keto na
okay jenze abodwe no ni bi no be ma ni bi
man bi
okay
o tse ni kese o pe bia bi
oh okay odi kan e train we ahase no na ye ahase na oni bi kra ba no wa abodwe ne pe sisie me hu nse wati ono nso shape ne kama into we sa na oni bi na wa ya ma no no nso nya side effect bia won so
oh we dey side effect bia ni time so a ono adware ma no abe wo shi
so no adware ma na
da mo no adware na no wo shi myself na avanish
Inti mi busa di chatroka eba ne mema ya na omkoye muti a efutu ben na odbe mo se de be ya ombe ya hwe se ne be ya mkwakoye muti na omo abodwe ne nso so omo be take note ansa no makakotina ho na empo ne ye ya omehu
efutu an so me do ma every man na say obi o ye be ma bi o yi na body a nyi no obi o yi bia no ene se se ne okwa obe ne hihye yi se ne be ya ye nye bibi ana se ye mfa blade bi nko kan ba bia ho se ye de ka se wonim se bi de blade kan na onya bombs a okudru ha o se o mani nya we ana se bidi kan for me plan se me pe blade ana se me pe machine ko ana se 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 de be ya onso me nya bombs bi ana se bi sa
nti eze wo nware nso so be ya boso me nso
ne se odena e be wom sa
Hello, Fashe Waluwa GBD. So, na brema kwan me de nkomo twetwe. Ebesi me sua de me hu se woni 555. Se woni beard crown pa, it me create bi. E ma wonye bi na wode kan ho siesie no ho siesie. Edimu ehu nya se obetumi akokoto sa spray ni ade ade. Omo amusu me de dai design man no so se na osmo di ai kame. Eno so let me if na ya kan ho siesie no ho siesie no. Edimu besmak see bia na obi pemwecha kwan hemfa na obi hom
ye tra kwanya ya kwan ya wala pas kata bus stop wa sa ko kaswa du kata bus stop na shop no kwan kakra bedro na green grass bi wani artificial wani obi dro na ngasa na ye kwa wani mo tebe we ka mo fan
okay so be so from so
so person frame a betimia after 0248 10 13 52
science to be right
0248 10 13 52 no any number
that's a bismarck and our fashion 101 Jumedi so hana brema kwan na de enkomo twetwe ebesi me mesua de ntini ye sure so wonso besua de sisi an me na monzen so a mini amema me bom na ma check it so wo twa woti na se beard shape no wontwa ne amesimi a sure se we ntwe ye sei na wo so ye me sure se me man so mesua de titiri de hia me pese me hu ni se Bismarck actually se e wo so wo show hairline and sana wetimi e de yi wo beard shape no it's an say wo obi de na de beto de we bia na woti na around e bia na woti no ni sa square shape no enso so per say yes a shape ni ma wa betwi woti na mana ye den akoyeshi at the end of the day no mba ko fan sunsun so boni bia ye den e de abro nti wo so wo ye na wo ye ni ye nti na fashion 101 Jumedi ye wo ho e de ma aha na e de enkomo twetwe ebesi medi enwa ho siesie hima Presla and my makeup in CD Elizi and your mammy. You that's it.
Tell us, say, someone shave it. I mean, Jimmy so shave it. When you are dear me, person we hear say, oh, I don't want it down. Found the teams, not subscribe. Who subscribe your video? Peer the better will be a Ubenya Queen. I was waiting your share. And yet, like, not share. Dear me, person we hear say, sign pounds at team share so. Na wo we bi so enye bi na ono so mfa mo bi na ekom na ye koye
wa kwaba do ba dum TV bedwam so afisam timi ya sure say fashion 101 na de ye president de fm no so wa hunu bi na yomu no a won kan sa mai isi am produce hu na white ne ko adane black yomo ti aka na bodge no ese etimi design ne kora mo ti wo lucky ni say ebi o bodge say obeka so woni so ni ni bia na oboa obeka so ope enti mun ko ya ni design ye mamu ni bi se ho ohun na o board head no ene ne nsa no ese guess no mo pe kobro no mo do sa fa ho ti o ma hini se mi hu de ti okọ barber shop so ko unity kwesi asempa mi hu de nti okọ ampofo eje yinum ehia so obekọ wo kwa bia obodwe na akọ yi omo am se ni abodwe ti sa kwesi asempa ne o ma hini se o yire ti ho ana o ma na o yi ma fine simple ampedu ni abodwe enyi bi tuare ha bi kitu ha bi se ye ne dia ma nti ya da o shia ti ampedu o se yes ka for signature etua tuare ha fia say shia o lakini nti nya hwe ayi Dominic nso ahanwi ni bi aboa ene fashi wa moya ni abie pa de bia na mo kana matete ne ma aboya nim ene ya hye wege se mema ni bebre hair shape ni nyina ya draw ene de ato wo mutere ho nti no kidi mini syrup eyem kradu akura woni die de ohia no so obaso wo so woni die so oba pa sen wa na be ma sen nti wo nidi to amo bata wo ha wo tete mane kiddies mini syrup ni binom obedi fine ko pharmacy shop bi abenya bi dodo pa no yem frɛ 0208986731 0208986731 ana 0208219129 na ye kiddie mini syrup yem famankura no enom Piwak Healthcare enso de 3P garlic mixture no aba we adwama so ko pe binom fia me ma garlic empower mo hoda fi se adwuma ye na edene o mu hia so fi Israel no bi se o fi live by se o sa hoden sonko na nim na ye fresh anonom garlic na moja ni nyina mu stand fine ti bi ye adwuma anopa ma chen de yi wo ho ti nunum bi 3P garlic mixture eboa yem pa moja bro so no nunum bi e boost your immune system no so e ka ho ananse ta cheche no bi afi asthma no e wo so a no bi kumasi ebenya bi odani heba ne Colinac e ho ne ebenya 3P garlic mixture no e bi ho Albertsam ena Sakrade AA Mensa enso ubenya bi ena Sunyane Green Light Pharmacy e ho ubenya nro no bi ne mo pedodo pa tu a ana upenchire mu bi onu ihu a frɛ Piwak Natural Health it was 0248-928-824 0248-928-824 and 0201-000-021 0201-000-021 na St. Andrew Senior High School yedo mose papa fa obano ko ho from 1 to 3 courses ni nyina ye kirebi your boarding house wo ho ntimfa ho baby a wotie bia utimodo bako St. Andrew Senior High School DBS roofing sheet papa yedo mose ko tobi fagu dinosaur school dan sorry dan bibia wasi a wohia chensen DBS for chensen no eno ena wohia se udi ebeguso meka wo se sofo Victor na se aye no baso this weekend was sehi be kwai on ho na ye no baso sofo Victor na se no ne yire asafo mame a wono ye chairperson da National Youth Authority ne papa JB Adai onya 87 years no ene radiato ne sa afre no ye ko weekendi ye sehi be kwai ho na ye no koso nti obi onim sofo Victor no nim ne yire ye nkoka wo mo na yenya asew kwan na yenya papa kwan kwakra ena dada kedi ma me so edie no koso weekendi ti obi onim dada kedi dwomtuni no na wafre na chekere ne wure na kwan obefa so obetumi aboa no yemfa emoa no sofo mame pastor Selina Bedu o mame so eda former weekend ye sie no ewo ye ni bibia won kran ha Faithway Chapel International Ga East Hospital kwan no so wa ubuso obi adome kwa benya kwan no so ko Ga East Hospital la won so obedu ho before Ga East Hospital Faithway ho na Pastor Selina mame eyi obatampa Agnes Odru ye jane kwan kra to obi onim Pastor Selina bia no friend no one number and I send a message on Facebook na chekere no we na fe Gloria Safonso mame de no enso koso na wo twe wi ye ewo achem osiem tienko ni nkoje abusuyen minim se bebre wo ho kofinti papa nso de na saa yemfrɛ adofo ni chekere wo mo re na kwan ye befa so ye beboa wo no yemfa moa wo mo yemfa yenkomo ye NC aha ne LPMC mamemfa NC amedi de afia amankwa tamaklo na woba kofia mpedu ne director Priscilla dache hene me do mase Dominic isi ebo anso ka ho camera for AB Thomas na menu abai wayade udini minya fa cheme osmosis nso ma me sound no Florence and Lizzie eye makeup no ti me do bia MCR no de bitu mu ma onya kwan hwe wo Facebook nyame hira wo fie mu nyame hira wo office a wo hwe live on Facebook yeda mu nyina ase yenwie show no asempa edin pensem mu no etwa so
yeda say so wa share video me kai wo say abrabli a wo hwe sa video yi wo YouTube no wo hu adoma na eda so no aye miaso wo miaso wi a chese abrabli a wo benya kwanya na video bi a ye de beto ha no watumi ahwe ne wa tro say wo so no so ayemia sene ebeya unua bi nso benya bi ahwe abre bia wo ya nesa video bia ye de beto ha no ubenya bi ahwe medase.
Well, Habusia and Yawada, and Dr. Jampo Yankopon, Association, Bionsione, Google, Minim Regional, or Minim Bebia, or show you Fiba, Mijis and Sione Google, Bibia Boko, Emfa, Asedama, or Chidiampo Yankopon, Minim the Quasias and Big and Pensemu, Yadebro, Indica Emfa, Aseda, Emma, Hepa Plus Mixture, Franco Trading Enterprise, CD Herbal, and a Kel Chocolate Toothpaste. I want to say, I see the Big and Pensemu. Bro, or my Hene Kwabnasanti, baby, I will be Asumdre and Count. And I know pay a better chin come from the camp of the NDC, the Greater Accra Regional Secretary, Honorable Theophilus Tetechai. What's I say? The counterpart from the MPP, Onyambedu Yobedua, definitely may introduce in an affair, and also joining discussion. Honorable Tetechai, member Kwaba Bibia Boko there. NDC, and Emma Cosine.
Onyamyadum Bibia Boko.
That's internal elections in Acho.
Yegusu kakranka nyame ya aduma ebia by June all things being equal no yebeye branch elections.
Oh, okay.
On say NDC there when it comes to reorganization now yempese controversies ebeba o she ne akukọ so MPP for branch elections now and then ama party no Atitia Pansana NDC yem makwama sanyama NCC esanse ye GDN say as party members no e was say yema obia equal opportunity inti no party not take steps say no ye replacement of membership cards sanse ye nyina no legally for now no ye qualified members of the party.
Oh, okay.
Because you know, in
my term of office.
Yes, and I was a renew membership. No, and the process no so ana you say no. Omo issue membership cards no. After maybe May 15th. After May 15th no so no party no edin share for ebeba.
Okay.
Now after you issue membership card number on I was so to reduce. And I do so no you were this in arrears from 2021. And these are all legal issues I was as party members no yet to me a meeting.
Okay.
And also na your party penny for a good no. Method no I slow but
be back because opposition party in by this time.
Exactly.
My reorganization.
Yeah, person ye tutu ye nyame yie. Nti nyame ya aduma bibia be cost.
Still our grounds in yes on.
Yeah, be cost fine. Yeah.
Anyway, he enters so say Nra I buy or share the ministries Mokoshi the Labor and Employment Ministry, could be Ministry of Finance, could be CLOSAC or National Labor Commission, neutrality allowance, and they are saying say up to Friday, the Omonim said they will bring closure to this matter. This whole issue of neutrality allowance, what do you make of it?
Yo, first of all, no maminchia enyanu mu bia mutai ehwe mu program yi. Auntie Christy, minimsa no pay oti TV ho a wo hwe nyame nhira o. Some boy for nyina mechi o nyina, especially mu viewers omo Western Enclave, you know. Mu support wo hono mu na so pa. Nti miso microphone bibri e wo hono mu. Nti me ba studio normally mpese mechi o. Any a party for nyina no pay mechi am. Same way, that was last Tuesday, right? Namu Asempa on this particular CLOSAC issue. Na me personal opinion about issue when say Sabi in quote me hum funso so CLOSAC for omaye.
Really?
Yeah. At the grunting American church say me nim for so infonso omaye ne say Sabi omankasa mo ankotro krata say aban jitum say odi sai sky ebemaye but labor unions no naturally no omu hie bibia omu ni aban panyinfo ena okọ tanasi anamebo na ade ba kwa wose nyina ye hu zini se oman ni sika no aban sem na sika ne hye o tax a wutua bi de na metua no ni nyina ye boaboa no a ye de ma aban ena aban e de ye adwuma e de boa oman no enti yamfa ne se we bi adwuma wo workers a woni omu ye adwuma wo worker no anase wo employee no nyama bi wo hono ma wo be pese wo be ye ama workers anu no aye wankasa wo pe e bia wo fi se adwuma no e koso nti o ma menye bibi na me fa mo workers no nso no a mu ye adwuma no omuso omuhwe ne e koso na omuhwe se nyama bi wo hono mu a anke wo se ye mfa maye ba ye mfa maye nti ye beba wo nchen as employer na ye no abeden abesusum se ye hia ade we udi maya ebeboa ye dwuma na ye no se closak fo edi saa nhihye no abetu aban panyifo anima boni be no maye omunye boni in the sense say the decision to accept and answer reject no lies with government. It doesn't lie with closak. It doesn't lie with the Unime. Because they decide to me no, I'm a Ministry of Finance. They decide to me no, I'm a Minister Obelidi. They decide to me no, I'm a Fair Wages Commission. Any other institutions are you can't salary issues and allowances issue are directly involved.
Okay.
Now minya closak for any aban akotanase. Sabi. And yes, omuko strangle aban akon.
Around the time I'm more aban mo na nitrande the allowance never ho.
That mean TBB sada. First time
but na more allowance be a motivate you almost be your own join.
Mami can be venture. Oh, the essence of a single spine was to bring all salaries, allowances together as a block. Since be ya, young call for and way koji say na way koji say na the imbalances in the salary structure no eba. Baby sa who say how many years now implementing a single spine? Why are all these imbalances still prevailing? You be sa question, you know. Oh, then besides our question, no. But only allowances ankasa se na city no. Enhance worker future friends living. It's just for the present. Because who say we a worker na we ye adwuma. Bebia usika ebe kwa edin faso edbe broad achi no. Sa basic salary na ya di mam.
Yeah.
Nti your fan say bia my basic salary 9,000. Na bia me allowances 24,000. Se ene me call retirement sika aban edi be mame ebe sustain me till time e bia Nyankopon ebe frɛ me no will be based on sa 9,000 meji no.
Yeah.
Nti sa 24,000 ye di mame as allowances no. Within that period no se masena eno ano no. Whoa. And you know, what we should be fighting for is improvement in our basic salaries. Because no, ubenya snit contributions are it will near to the benefit of the but yenfa no into nchen. Omuko negotiation table no.
Yeah.
Why and any omuko negotiate here. Anya sabi officers be keke. But government in Ankasano, the creme de la creme, in Kofo or would GDA war mumu, say a bad negotiations are, omu and a was a homogena abai anemo. Honorable Osafo Mafu, only the delegation, you know. As in any special assistance count. Finance Ministry, Abina, a friend saying, Asari. Deputy Finance Minister, account. Fair Wages Commission, Ediom lawyers, Akuku down. Cancer negotiations and all. Enti Closac for no edwumadi omukodi ye no mfunso be na omaye menua se me oni me ye edwuma na me feel say e was say mami clothing allowance mami clothing allowance na me feel say edwuma ye am ye de bia me ti set so e was say all the time me looking very pleasant to the viewers na me ba won chen say employer mami clothing allowance it is up to you to decide say I don't deserve clothing allowance.
No, but Honorable, in the first place, it wasn't necessary to begin this whole discussion, say, because as part of ethics,
ethics.
A code of conduct, as civil servants, as a Closac member, no, you are not supposed to do politics. And this are
organization. Institutions I will make more.
Yeah.
Issues of politics, yen can work.
No, you can't. But to engage in active politics, of course, issues of politics, there's a family
court. I must some ruling on some aspect of it. Exactly. Until nothing or modi call honum. And American say, una ukra or my nisika. On one fa a friends or share, right?
Yeah.
I'm better so. They came to you asking for something na omu feel say per omudi ye ejuma no e wo say ye mo musa anyama no. It is up to you who are who crazy kano. Una obe decide say me was sika bia da ho no ma betumi edi amamu ana say sika bia ni ho no ma betumi di amamu.
Honorable Tetechai, are you for
all what we all have allowance? To admit in say we had bad negotiators from government. And only idea was a menu. Yes,
Honorable Tetechai, bad negotiation.
Yeah.
Are you for or against this neutrality allowance?
Me, I don't have any problem. So far as government adhere to me say, a idea necessary, it was all the mom. Because abana adhere to. Say I no can say yen to me nyashi emfa ho kofo assign a contract between omu and the government then I will bet to me aya fa ho.
But what you say necessary?
Well, once I nyina ya gitu mu say oman no sikeni ho no no we may tell me say enye necessary, but ade ba ko am bibisa ya no so ne say ye de yeni asi Closac for so there are so many government agencies, ministry departments, allowances be one more or more GGR. We have not done any research into them.
That is a
oh, now yanti evening allowance in friends saying extra time allowance in this. There are so many allowances people are taking as a result of Jumadi or Muyano. Afina Fair Wages and Salary Commission can say they are now going to investigate those allowances across board. Minya, does it make sense?
No, but the point is, say Wankasa Jitum says some of the allowances there, we can do away with them.
We can do away with them, but if you have bad managers of the economy, these things will happen.
At the time I'm more office, we had some of these allowances in place.
Neutrality and
more neutrality.
Exactly.
Other allowances were there.
Exactly. Did the public complain?
But you knew some of them.
Public, complaining.
It is because it
why is the public complaining now?
Because Closac is demanding.
And yet because they are demanding. Because the fee say, "Sa word no mu use no, enya idea. I was say here then. Yajitum mani ye. Meboa." But the question is, because we have bad negotiators in terms of government. Omo mama we nyina aba. Because Closac for friends
yeah, they are on strike.
Why are they on strike? Because Abaya Jia to say Sasikano or the bed or the bebom or my son Krata.
And see if it
is a blame be one more. we should give the blame to the bad negotiators.
Okay, and yeah, they blame them bad negotiators, you know. If it stays now buying to your more NDC, if you come to power, will you cancel it?
But you mean finance minister this year?
No, but the point is, I mean,
your party, party was structure. Okay. Any policy initiative, we derive from a party, that's the head.
But personally, if a Bassamon discusses whether you come to power, mobile maintenance and personally,
minya, minim ejuma, we negotiating for BB. You be sign craft our a bedroom me, you can say you withdraw Sadia. I've never seen that. We also say aketuya ya idea. When you agree to take it, it is very difficult to now say you are withdrawing. Oti hanumi allowances ni pex awunya as a host of the various shows that you host. Say ne management afro na kan you say asempa ade we ayede ma wo no ene ye pese withdraw sa ade na mejafo ukasa kra wo studio radio so no ebesisa ana meboa abesisa you will never be happy. So let's blame the bad negotiators. Na me can be so Professor Adai, right? I heard him say certain things during the week on this matter, but I beg to differ. Say your nuanka abide from military and core institutions, now I'm going to take you over the institutions. We are not in the dictatorial regime. We are in the democracy where rules and regulations are the key drivers of.
No, but he said that for a reason.
We don't expect such language.
No, maybe.
Hold on. We don't expect such language from in Konfua.
Okay, I must say personally, this comment
it is totally uncalled for.
And once he's not here, at least you've mentioned it in the past. Yes, I understand.
It is on your media.
I understand it, but
no, maybe one man wants to tolerate it.
Okay,
you can't talk like that.
Martin, may I say?
Sir, I'm for. No.
I'm about to floss as a child, but I see me bro. But she was joining a higher Adom TV. A big person more any other bro. Me didn't question some. Me catch real. So from the camp of the MPP, me guest bar definitely may introduce, the member of parliament, Achimda constituency in the eastern region, Honorable Alexander Kwesiakwa joining Honorable Mwakwaba Bibi Abokodi. Great, the body as sharp constituency to say.
And Tawa Kakrebinti, until an empty hay.
Still, I quite
no air to, as we are no quite me a between Teja, or say a bear party of Juba. Until you heard penny for him. Almost to near my share Achimda for bo. So your name Peter Fogusu, Edins our so. On Betsy, as I'm there now, most in your coin at Maba.
Okay, now more coin at the same.
I can't go super. So far, Ufi as a my bar. Yeah, just Kakrebi, I will come across and I them. And if you all call down so dear. The more come out, you go so Kakaka. Yamiada, my AG levy out to media, a bit mobilize car. Nah, it's me, I acquire no more.
That as well. I hope that you enjoyed us so maybe our effective be our constituency.
There be a feed so far. If you're not a job of money, and say, as somebody be.
Okay. Great times I will buy what say honorable to the child can bad negotiation, in fact. And then he said a bemukra. And then I'm going to negotiate this whole neutrality allowance.
Many of my friends I can say what I have for, and then my this year watch him down. Otie a dino, I dear to allowance you so dear. 1 year, why you move on a kakra. And young one say a month for if you see a come once. Na Bijidi say, and Tia Kakra me war, and if you more my yellow. And they say, Prosac for our allowances be bria. Nanka omu negotiate. Na wohwe saa allowances no anka omu di hu nkomo ne abaye di hu nkomo no a se e ka bo mu a enka omu salary omu gye no betimi abo ho be emprensa enti aban ne omu si gina se okay mum yenka ni nyina mum na wei a wo mo kani ade na no yempe edin kakra bi nto so na yemfa saa boy emma mo as allowance eno no aban trim no wonim se saa de omo hihye no ba ko mienu miensa sabe nka aban foforo bi a ebi a wedi be fa so ba wagye atum ba ba wie no na wotua sika kese no eno ene kofa we baaye ejidi se aban yi enim agye atum se mmode bo nyinara ejina adwumayefo so aban we aban a sabe enye dwanfunu aban wo ana se president onti labor for ekom ana so musu enti the labor for beka bia no wode kwa adwinwi mu na one omo atena se ne ebe ya prepare your ebe ya adwuma enti aba aban ehye negotiations no hyase na wo hwe by 20th June January mo no mo sign contract there fi sabre ne bepim sabre na ban ti mo pono se nkobehwe na wo ma prince no no matua ye na eni mo man sikasem obi anfansie ye so man sikasem na nya de a atoyi esa niema bebre adunti aban ne omo nsa wosodie no ekoso ye gidi se strike affecting kofo bebre maybe wadwuma bia na bi di akire enkofo wo kwan na mo fa so ye nyuma ni bi she akire kakrakra eno na nipa odi madwuma bi akira man be friend mo so you see put to down systems nyina just to let the strike bite that hard but aban so ewoti mo pose wagye ato mu nku ade obeye eniti aban epinchin dachi wo mo akọ negotiations tiase aye adwuma aban eboa no ho ye giri se enche omo beti aban nka na fe omo akọ akoto mu nyuma die so efa se ye ba negotiation efa edin mo ni ade ne de yedim say we are keeping faith with labor said ye be labor adwuma wo mo ye de aboa aban bebi ye kwa ye ba ni ade nyina no aban ne abayofo no mo ahe na hwe oman so nipa dodo na ewo closer is one of the biggest umbrellas intino say omo no ye yo ana say wo mo ahaw bi eba na say aban amfa na ni anhwe ni ade a you are grinding the system to a halt. Intino me you bet me aka say aban ye bad negotiation here but say o share the details of the negotiation that is the best government could have done.
Well, this is as part of the May Day celebration. You see, I'm one of the publicity coordinators. Kasai almost demanded at least 25% salary increase from government.
Me say na ti supeni Kasai do or die. Afie ni ade. We know. Se senia oman mu no ayehia fa ne ntino sabe wo ye dan ya labor demands be kosoro ebi kapo se yentua mane ene inflation rate enyepe that means se ban yire no na yesikasem ne ehun ntotoye no etimi gina pen ekoye na se inflation rate ni ade be kofom a enya de a such demands no ebeye that aggressive and se be kosoro entino. Yes, labor for aban shadan so den ka say na betua. They've always been part of the negotiation team. They know the stance of the government. They know the economy. Omuni momani sika jinabia no money ade. You know, enya dia aban ebe hye no ho sechinchina to please them. No, ye beti metua 25% a ebi ebe yede. Na ebedu baabi na ade. I'm sure it's one of the topics we're going to discuss. So the president had to force. Not force, but to get our ministers to reduce their salaries by 30%. Adentia, ni nyina no signal say so man mu ye den ye nyina no eboy abosom edigina oman echi. And until yes, mobeka say 25%, that is what your demands will be. But at the end of the day, no, let's situate situation, no, let's situate the demands, no, in the right economic systems.
Honorable Alexander Kwesiakwa, a member of parliament at Chimda constituency in the eastern region. Honorable Tetecha, member already, TUC has survey notice indication is do or die. Do you think, sir, a buying to me winning this negotiation in their favor when it comes to salary increment or more demand?
We share current inflationary rate now. Now, we share a ahunchira a war memu sese no. Workers have every right to demand what will keep the home. Sine sibeya worker ni ibe juma stress ni nyamanyama embeto no so na oman so productivity no akosro se productivity no akosro a more resources will be harnessed for oman development. And you know, President Kufuor can be, and Sir Assembly President Kufuor can, up to today is very relevant. Say, Aban pretend say or to your workers salaries are workers no so here then. Pretend this or more here then, or more here ejuma. And not to say there is correlation between productivity and emolument. And you know, one thing I was say Aban bia ye to me ne say once you pay, I was say we make sure say productivity will also go high. Now in PMP, you know, or no money challenge, you know. And sometimes, you know, in the ministries, departments, and agencies, you know, but to a very large extent, you know, attitude to work is very, very poor. You find say BR checks a Google opinion be table so I was all clear. That thing can be done within some few minutes. But I bet take it be a month. Yeah, person nipano or penning the signature keke. Since be contractors, suppliers, or me to me akuyi musika. Oh, sanya many nyina no and hinder productivity. And you know, yes, as for salary, when it comes to issues of salary, everybody wants the best. And especially, you know, say, you know, system now, there's something ongoing now. I was say in the near future, no, your corrects are imbalances, no, because I say there's a sharp divide between the civil service and then Article 71 office holders, and also creative challenges. I was say you share your constitutional arrangement need to make correct imbalances because equal work should attract equal pay. Oh, a people will be more motivated to say juma. And see, workers need demanding 25%. Yes, and no or more dream no. And no say Aban to me ye more. Omu ebe hinham. Omu ewo economic situation say ye woman. It is up to government to put in place a competent negotiation team. Because one thing I was saying, when you come to the civil service and not public service, negotiators, you know, they are very experienced people. They've done negotiations all these years. And the team be banner team, you know, yeah, a very incompetent one. At the end of the day, you know, una won't bet you. And the government should learn from what they did with Crossack and then go into a new salary negotiation agreement with competent people. At the end of the day, you know, whatever they agreed upon will not offset budgetary arrangements. They say, you know, almost a pay empo, levy, no, although minority, no, I call injanti process, you know, they are going to go ahead. It's workers soon say, prior to the discussion on levy, no, almost levy, no, be
I don't know demand that percentage, you know.
Also, my catcher say it is bringing in so much. Enti, for me, to a large extent, you know, it's as a result of Nioma catcher Ghana for say. Sikano Mubabe Gigi, Efri, Yankasa Yehon.
I know what it's a child with the current economic challenges. Who advise say a TUC on at least or more percentage on Beshanikakra because someone demand the best from government. Putting yourself in government shoes.
Who call market? Say Sebi, Uma Ujiri Sika at the co market. Na Yadi Nyamaneba na u inspect nyama no na hu say the quantity a former sika no edema any quantity a unya sisi ana ubeto hufu. They are demanding 25% because they feel say inflation no say is almost edging to 20%. And day in and day out, the hardship more.
Until you think that I was binding more.
No, it is labor. That is they say 25% no more canon. Say omuni aban ekotenasia. There's not going to be that consensus building. Okay. Definitely. Omunya that abrasive. Oh, but it depends on how we negotiate.
Okay. Honorable Theophilus Tetechai, Greater Accra Regional Secretary at the NDC. Honorable Kwesiakwa, member also. So 25%. Almost I buying betting here with the current economic condition. Minyini, but a proposal. And a proposal biano, a bar, yet nasi, edi hon komo. Sabe, Osheseni abai any labor, edini ye. In terms of negotiations, any readiness, abai ahu priya unya, ewo labor issues mu, any kwaya wafa so ni omotinase. Na yen kai hunu se COVID brimu, abra na abai bi anasa aman bi eyi nkofo edi betina efie wo munti omoka. Nanso efie mredodo a yete efie nyina no, abai pay sika di tu adwumayfo ka, abai ye obi edi, abai tu ye obi aka. Ni ade na se sabri no government no aban no pekwan bi so apagya ne mu yesika sai mu na ye de ahwoman ni nyina menyi ni se labor be so insensitive beka sai wom de 25 no a o maka no sa pepepe na sabe o twi ade a o start fi anim se de be a we negotiate ya beba we understand them yenim said system no mutie but yenim so etiase say aban enya hoden a obetime tua 25%. But they have to start from somewhere. It's okay, it's all right. But bijidi say omobe jina aban just say anything aban ni omedi ne yei mmere bi atwemu akono no mate ase say yenye ne preko edidi daaye azidi preko. Honorable Kwesiakwa, we a businessman, meaning say you are always in the market.
Yes.
So when say the nyoma bo etie. And I'll pay with me to be a numrena a bonus, and at least in Gababi a cluster feedback.
But you see, yen beside home, sebe. Productivity, any adinya sika, any anamso, ediatiaka. This is a period that you won't the whole world. Now say, no, I mean, article be say, Ira, Mampeni, Dada, Jomahama, Akoka said, the whole world has suffered as a result of COVID.
Yeah.
Oh, it's established.
Yes.
Well, but ye kasa sawa bonting na ye befi ne be yes aban no e da intimi enhwe o minus wa. Na we are being dishonest. Next time no ye kasem bi here nipa emfa ne serious. Because ye nim say ahochira ye wo mu no enye Ghana pe. Eyo man nyina Ghana yenso ye niema ye de ko adwaman so ne yeton ne nye sika. Ye bi sasa aban ko nye sika wai. Aban se den twa sika sa o. So nim. Iti aban onye ne sika wai. Iti once adwaman so aye bisi basa na yense den nye sika. Dodo emfi niema yeton ho. Yankasa kra na fe na ye pagya ye production mu. Afe na ye industries ye pese ye pagya mu ni ade na niema ba be sesa. Iti no ye kofa we he ene de ama. Iti yes, enyema boyede. It could even be worse because Osha China is beginning to go into lockdown. Enyema was a bad dodo no money. No say omo shepo nyema dodo a na ma nyema eyefo. And then no say because of lockdown mutimi shepo ni na this anwa e be ma bo no akosoro. Iti nyema bo be kosoro. But ye ntimi nka se enu nti no ye hwe ho ase bibia ba ntimi nyes kanfi no ye nko famra. Yi levi ade ba kwa e kan ne se e be boa ma ye besia ye bodo akofom. Iti kakra no a ya ebe mobilize no na ye de ahwe ye ho. Iti no ye minyini se ye betimi ahye aban chinchirichiri na wakofa homa bia se ne kon a e ba akofa besia kase bia e ho asem no ye ntimi enka. Iti minim se eniema bo enye adeketwa. But at least we should understand say ye na ye moa na ye rebuild it. That was the theme for our 6th March anniversary, independence anniversary. Ye nyina ye de nkabom build it on mine no. Baby tete pansam ko du ye any COVID in some bebom ni ade no. Edu bra was in na kai ho bom. Diepeja.
Honorable Alexander Akwesiakwa, Member of Parliament for Achimda constituency in the Eastern Region. Few messages about me, Fanafi. We say, my name is Paula, and I'm watching you live from Medina. These Closac people are really worrying government. For me, I think we've given them the opportunity to have their way. No neutrality allowance for them. Please tell them, but they should go to bed. Anyway, I thank you. Ernest Watema, I'll say good morning, Asempa, and good morning to your wonderful panelists. In fact, thought-provoking guests you have. They've spoken to the issue. Kudos to them. And this one says, Asempa, I think the workers are over-threatening government. It's about time we let them understand that we're not in normal times. So they should just tone down and relax. Okay. And Michael Ewotichiman, I'll say, Asempa, good morning. Forget about the politicians. Why won't we continue to demand? Look at the way they live. Look at the largesse. Look at the cars they drive. And yet, I go to the market and I can only purchase Kobe for me and my family. No, we'll continue to demand. Okay. May that's if a breeze. What they will
Kobe. Kobe is for
Ernest Ewo Wechi, I'll say good morning, Asempa, and good morning to your panelists. Asemo, but it is well. We know that at the end of the day, the competent MPP in government will be able to do the magic and give them whatever they want. God help us. Okay. And this one says, it's about time we kick this MPP from power. Look at what they've done to Mother Ghana. Suffering, so, babia, aye, pasa. Okay, but that's a say also the way they buy. It's also, but they back off for a quick commercial break. On the 21st of March this year, and a special cabinet meeting, I'm taking decisions. All government appointees, salaries, be reducing by 30%. The 19th of April, and a letter from the Chief of Staff Office, and they command the various agencies, Controller and Accountant General, any CEOs of state-owned organizations, 30% salaries, basso. In addition, 50% cuts on fuel coupons, and that's where come. It's about to start. The economy saying, stay tuned. Yeah, bye. My Hepa Plus Mr. Franco Trading Enterprise, CD Herbal, and a Kel Choco Toothpaste. Me didn't because Yasempa, Big Jim Pensen, when I will share my guest, Honorable Theophilus Chai, and the Greater Accra Regional Secretary, my NDC, Honorable Alexander Akwesiakwa, a Member of Parliament, Achimda constituency. Before the break, and I make a suffer 30% salary cut. Honorable Chai, make I say my breast, so there was 10%, right? And no money then.
First of all, no, answer me back on.
Yeah.
They be a create impression. Be say COVID by no. I say countries be wo hono ma. Sebi omo workers. Omo mo kotene fie omo ntua omo ka. Sa nsem no sebi ye gituma enye yie.
Obasan Crawford Lucy or Majuma.
Listen to me.
Yeah.
Government per se, governments across the world never punish their workers because of COVID. In fact, what they even rather did was to even reward them.
That is government.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, right.
Private institutions, yes, some might have done that. But governments all over the world, they rather supported their workers to survive COVID. Asempa, 30% salary deductions from ministers, ministries, your friends and chief executives. It's as a result of a buying pressure about buying. So, say, a buying was living large, and a person or taxi the poor more in order to survive the bad economic situation. Omuni or mining yanano akoshim. But proud to that, Obekaya president can say they were deducting 20%. Proud to that. At the beginning of the year, Obekaya at the time, immediately 2021, yeba a second term of his government, had the issue of payment of your friend saying Article 71 yɛde office holders yɛde first lady ni second lady ekoka ho a assembly buy no. The government issued that statement say they were taking 20% of the emoluments of workers. No yanti hu hwe until nansenya e-levy issues yi buy aban decided say obe reduce emoluments or dema ni government appointees by 30%. Who besides say at our time when measures ni buy no then na yensu ye Bekaya His Excellency John Dramani Mahama reduce the emoluments of the ministers by 10%. Na saa sika no ye share that share a funder ye building cheap compounds across the entire country. Nti records wo hono who call sa fund na ubehu what the resources were used for. Now, currently, abane can chire and say, sa 30%, control and share. Then some fangu, friends say, futu kesiya na, abane nyina consolidated fund. Taxes yetua bibia ekohono. Now, nanka Niagana for bisane say, anka be ya abane no enseti account be purposely for that purpose. They who say the number of ministers or deputy ministers or municipal chief executives or one, so deductions, on each of them, how much is being taken? Because say your name said deductions, is on the allowances, and that deductions, is on
their net salary.
And that deductions, is only on the basic salary. These are things that and the good people of this country wants to know because and also be determine the quantum as to the amount of them because who can say on the net and no say nipa neji 14,000 you are taking 30%
out of the
14,000 until wouldn't quantum ever. But if it is on the basic salary maybe I share basic salary maybe 7,000 until 30% now and no and so to say uti on 14,000. Until these are things we want to know. Now, asempa ade ba kon ye me won say ye wo institutions bia chief executives that is the MMDC DAs no. And then me no ka say sabi aketua kra say
MCs ni DCs.
Exactly. Say be ba na say mbampu no omunim. Nti asema anope ye pese ye bisa chief of staff ni say sa chief executives no omu ye den edidi ye bisa sa question no omu ye den didi because so when you employment na you do what to ejuma so now for so many months waketua emba anya kro no na obebo men can say who
and now be bokron maybe you might be tempted to be corrupt men won't say and say
eya no cry no ye can na ye pese ye di adjectives ni qualify no minya who ye ejuma ama multimedia who ba who fifie wo ba who di car na eba who didi who yere ni ma you have other responsibilities. Once those the friend saying the man was a provide you embano and no attempt ma wonya nya was obey to survive. Nti eno de wo hono now aban ka kire en say sa nkofo ni nyina no yes at your 30%. 30% wo hifa.
I see a TF your musika na ye be mom no.
Ana musika no ye fa ma me.
Ebe ko na nyanko.
No, asem na me bisa.
Ma honorable no credit because na buntua meka.
Buntua meka.
when into your hanka.
DCs.
No, DC better cause into your hanka.
Honorable. And to one ya where say mo DCs and AMCs into your mokai.
Menya where.
Me am aware, me catch you.
Oh, that be meaning that DC better see into your hanka.
That DC your bed. And to me I'm a cassie into your.
Oh, that is all yeah, you man see into your hanka, on cassie into your hanka.
Honorable.
But you see, I can tell you, sir, NPP.
Yeah.
Most of our appointees, Obia yeba appointing into the office, political office, NPP. Or you Obia, or you well to do, or you na Juma, that's what you be.
No.
I am telling you.
Oh,
tell you.
Cannot be matched with any government.
Yeah, me too.
Hear me. And I may say. Yen sebe. Yen kwa appointee will be a fin we school. I on your Juma da. One more appoint you now. I'm telling you, medical cassette.
More appointees because they are well to do to Muntia. No, so honorable.
The first principle of Yanma Yesum and the NPP in answer per small mind.
Really?
Yamba fan said Juma, near Chay and Karma, or someone who here in Cassie, as in Waket.
Honorable Yetiaka as member.
Yetiaka,
Eba. Every month,
main time checking because my mortgage, my constituency from the Ama Kim checking, say both say move, but minimum say regular. A bar, I have a fund to come as a partner. I have a fund, you can check with my constituents. My salary goes to my constituents directly.
Okay.
Because my mother must say, may Baba Jaketia, Namdia Yajuma.
And so 30% the better will be.
MPs in Kahon. MPs in Kahon. Already, no, I made say, Yemubino. MPs do bet me casa for the majority. Yesikano, ye Juma your constituencies. Your constituencies so.
And DCs, they should sacrifice. And
I may patch say, me nim se DC be on my intriaca. But MPP DC is a minimum. I'm a my minimum mina, but the mania can who say, do no, so that get you my empa. Or when a Jume be and now the BB away, one and if you have a but ye. Say, yes, 30% you bet your more. Not scanning my say, I'm pampo, send a wookie near dear, a bebara, a yakutia, or massa contract, a buyer from a juma. So a buying say, what 30%, a do not see a tria, you bet it. When soon yadia, everybody obiania, say, well, bois or mine, but what unim said, sad and a bit me money panaya. And so you see, government essay. Yajiji sa state-owned organizations, chief executives, any ministers near the 3.5 billion.
Okay.
Yes, you cannot take that for granted.
A month?
No.
Over
the period.
Okay.
You cannot take that for granted.
Access cannot. You have to pay your day.
Oh, you do pay so be a or minor sitrani or minus casamano. It's a baby a fee. And they said you better or mine on the Aramanaka don't pay. Na yes, ye page mua chichiri muana COVID the super boom no Ukraine Russia one year no and na a buying penny for near dinner case ye na yemwa. It's no sa 3.5 million 3.5 billion consolidated fund more ye yisike film e de shop on mine no. It's no said ye be ya yen koba se ebia ye he bibi e dia abo man ho bra near de it's no a mine penny for no e di kind asset example and that's what I'm telling you say see etimi aye we ya TUC 40 months for 25% many are they ehunu say am party for staff achro am ye be sha tete ye nwanum ye bi but let's get into research into history and see sa of 10% of GG baby according to information I want so they went back for those money
the information
I'm back from chief of staff ma so bad.
Minimum say propaganda.
Oh, Debbie. Oh, Debbie, propaganda.
Debbie, si kano mo tete ye. Omo dey control chief of staff office.
Debbie.
Omo dey pen every party e frɛ wa no abet.
Eko control like chief of staff. E mandate ye, e mo corridor ye. We can check.
And on the best share in the office. And on chiche.
Eko as a best wrong.
I love the
Oh, but we're public. No, I cannot sit here and lie.
No, public is there. The honorable to the child.
Side information. Eba during public accounts committee. So, and I make sure I'm giving you. I can give you the details.
No. Okay, Public Accounts Committee.
Yes. No, within their term of office.
And
I was a member of the Public Accounts Committee at that time.
It's man discuss deductions are
10% deductions.
We are paying you. And can be a big movie. But withdraw that statement.
Oh, that means to me withdraw, sir.
It is
when I know this is a public information.
It is never true. 10%.
So,
but honorable, information will pick anyway. I mean, give me the source. So
but you see, initially when the buy, and then NDC tried to decline it. And so we went into archives, and then it came up. It came up.
So which of the archives?
In fact, let me get it for you.
Okay.
Let me get it for you now.
And the choice,
I was a member of the Public Accounts Committee.
Okay, Martin. Maminda Masi. Yeah, fancy.
As about to be fancy. Okay. Once,
so when we have submission, quite unfortunate. I have to go.
But I've placed it on record.
Martin.
So whatever it is.
Honorable Alexander.
NDC protected 10%.
Greater NDC. Good morning.